Then right here is another street, but this leads right to here. So you can see Sao Paulo ruins right around the corner here. There you go. This is kind of the big monument. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this corner is pretty cool little space. So I'm just going to show you. People are kind of walking by. There's like a little restaurant there. And I just want to show you some of the housing. So you can see all the housing all the way around, and it's like kind of a lot of activity. So this one we're just going to focus on this little space. And I'll move it around a little bit so you can see all the different angles of it. And I think we're going to walk over by this little food court, food thing. You can get pork chop buns and things like that. See more of the apartments, right? And we're gonna be walking down this little Rua de... We're gonna walk down in another way actually, but let's see if we can get by these people. And actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna film this area, and at nighttime they'll have some food out here, so you can see they have everything ready for that. Somebody has a beer. I think that was so yeah, actually this looks really cool. So you just try to capture everything here. So we're just gonna walk all the way down this alley, show you some of the detail of stuff. So there's a lot of detail if you look at it. A lot of the stuff is veggie and health products. You can see shrines. So we're gonna just slowly walk up to some kind of cheese that says "touch me." Okay, touch me. I don't know if I should have touched that. It's COVID-19. I think I've actually bought stamps in here before. You can buy these old stamps. You can also buy coins too. This is the name of the street right here. I'm just gonna get sidetracked, just like the name. If you like this channel, make sure that you make a comment. The reason that if you make a comment, then it can go into the algorithm and other people can see it, and then they'll know about it too. They used to have like a little restaurant in here, but it looks like it's a little bit. They do have this, and this, the Choi family. And you got this pretty cool little temple. And okay, each family has this one artwork there. A lot of artwork in this alley. All right. Giant tomato. And actually I have another film that I probably just put up that you might see. So that's the reason that I'm trying to be a little bit careful about replicating the same thing. So I'm gonna go down to some different paths. But if you're interested in this area, that other film is should be right in the same area, and I mean I'll put it online around the same time. Tourist Macau stuff. Huh. These are pretty cool. So we're gonna take a right, and then we're gonna go up towards Sao Paulo ruins, and you can see how this is connected a little bit to some other stuff. This area. Calçada do Amparo. It's pretty cool. Kebabs. doner kebabs. Oh, there's a wine festival. Valio festival. Valio, that's a vino, which is wine. Let's just see. Another shrine. Usually I've never walked further down here, but I see this thing that says Old House Bakery, so I'm just a little bit curious. Yep, it is a bakery. Old House Bakery. And it looks like this alley, there's some artwork at the end too. Craft beer store. Oh, please quiet. I have to be quiet. Okay. So let's quietly exit this space, but yeah, there's a lot of cool little stuff up and down alleys. Actually, Macau is filled with alleys, so it's great to explore because there's a lot of. Let's see, let's go down the hill. This is another alley. Artwork everywhere. Sometimes they have. I have filmed in here before, but I'm more interested to keep going up. One of my friends said that he really liked this color, this green color right here. It's from Portugal, so I like the bright pastel colors here too. It's pretty cool. Actually, I like the gold one the most. This street is called Portugal Street. And if you go all the way up, it goes to Sao Paulo Ruins. Let's see how many minutes we are right now. We are at 6.5 minutes, so they call this Portuguese Street, Começando no fim do início. Inicio. Not sure how they say that in Portuguese. Portuguese puts an emphasis on the second to last syllable. But a word like that, like EO, I don't know if that's one vowel, the EO, or if it's it's just the one before it. So we just came out here. If we go that way, Sao Paulo Ruins. This is a really cool area. So I don't know if I should show you Sao Paulo Ruins. I guess I should. And then I'll show you this other one in a different film. So this is where we just came from right here. Weekend Walking Street. So they actually give it a name now. Travessa do Armazém Velho. Portuguese Street is also okay. Then right here is another street, but this leads right to here. So you can see Sao Paulo Ruins right around the corner here. There you go. This is kind of the big monument. So there's the big monument right there. So Sao Paulo Ruins. And yep, pretty cool. So, okay. I'm gonna focus on some other stuff, so I'm gonna end this right here.